Go back on the sprint out. Okay, let's go 52 up on these guys. Okay, on a bunch. Okay, the ball goes. Okay,
some time.
Yes. Trip straight, Ray. Okay, so Zim wide down if you need to. Okay, wide out. Okay, corner read. If anything, it goes. Give us a chance down the field. Okay. If anything, give us a chance down the field. I think we're going to be able to get it. Okay. Hey, good?
Trips are
bunch right. Bunch trips right. Got it? Go, boys.
Let's go. Come on.
Did first down or second? First down again or second down? What down is it going to be?
First down.
Still first? Still first down?
Second down.
It should be
second down, yes. Be loud, be great tacklers, run your feet!
Hey, you're on.
You want to go trap? Race for lace. Back to the tight end. Race. Lace, Rizzo.
Go, boys. You got to score. You got to score again.
Let's go. High and tight.
Race, trap right. Race, trap right. Shoot, I wanted to ISO right there. What I tell you before the game, if you hold the ball too long. The inside linebacker's going to get it. What's a fire mean to you? Right. Okay? What'd you do? Okay, buddy. Let's go.
We got Jason field position. Jason field position. We got you. Let's go.
We're good.
Wide right, ISO left. Wide right, ISO left. Hey.
Here, I got it.
Listen. No pitchers. You got it? No pitchers. No pitchers, tackles. Step inside and drive out. Turn your butt in the hole. Here we go.
That's it right here, boys. Come on. Run your feet.
Let's go wide right. Wide right. Aussie right. What do you think of Okie right out of wide right? Just a single end. Right. Oh, now holding. Wide left. Wide left, Okie right. Okay, just go. Not yet.
This corner's blitzing every time. He's just blitzing.
But he's reading run, though. He's reading run now.
He's crashing pretty fast.
Hey, we got to get back in the field goal range. Make it a two-score game right here. Let's go.
Guys, we need a field goal here. Okay? So we need to get at least 10 of this. Give yourself up. Give yourself up.
Let's go, boys. We got to do it.
All right.
Acting cover, let's go.
Listen, we're going to bring you guys in tight. Okay? You guys are on a tight end position. You got to help. Okay? Tight end. Step inside, get big. Okay? Are we good? Okay? Catch it and get rid of it.
Yep.
Catch it and get rid of it. Great snap.
Let's go.
Let's play defense then. Let's go. Eagle, eagle, eagle.
Hey.
We can play it the same. We don't want to give up a first down, maybe.
How great of a win is it to do it in front of the hometown fans, homecoming night?
Absolutely. This is a great win for our football program against one of the top AA teams, a former rival type game for us. You know, us being a AAA, us being a double. You know, we showed that you know, we're one of the better teams in the area, which is I'm really proud of as far as this program has come.